Most students think subjuntivo is super difficult, but today I'm going to give you one trick that's going to make your subjunctive so much easier to learn and to use. In fact, you'll be able to use it today. I'm Marta, your Spanish teacher with more than 15 years of experience, and I help you speak real, natural Spanish with confidence. Subjuntivo is always triggered, okay? I know that we have always learned that subjuntivo is for wishes, desires, the unknown, and that is true, but it's also triggered. And if you pay attention of the triggers, it's going to make your life so much easier. So today we're going to study a couple of triggers. First one, verbs of opinion in negative. So anytime you say, I don't think that, you need subjuntivo. No creo que venga Juan. I don't think Juan is coming. Look at the difference. Creo que Juan viene. Indicativo. I think Juan is coming. And no creo que Juan venga. Venga is presente of subjuntivo. Another example. Creo que es verdad. Or pienso que es verdad. I think it's true. No creo que sea verdad. No pienso que sea verdad. Sea is presente of subjuntivo. Second trigger, cuando, when. So when cuando refers to the future, we need subjuntivo. Cuando llegue a casa, te llamaré. When I get home, I will call you. What is the difference? Cuando llego a casa, me pongo el pijama. So when I get home, I always change into my pajamas or my PJs. So you see, that's something that always happens. So when cuando refers to the present or the past, we use indicativo. But when it refers to the future, we need subjuntivo. Always ask yourself, is this real? Has it happened? This helps a lot too. So another example, a bonus one. If I say, espero que venga, I hope that she comes, I need subjuntivo. Esperar que, trigger subjuntivo. You don't know if this person is coming to your house or to your party, right? But you hope she is or he is. Okay, so espero que venga. So let's practice. I'm going to say a phrase. I'm going to wait for you to think, and then we'll check it together. Okay, are you ready? Quiero que, and the verb is venir, mañana. What do you think? Quiero que, mañana. I want you to come tomorrow. Quiero que vengas mañana. Vengas is presente of subjuntivo. Dudo que, the verb is ser, cierto. Think about it. I doubt that it's true. Dudo que sea cierto. Do you see it? Okay. Cuando, the verb terminar, te llamaré. So cuando, when I finish, I will call you. What do you think? Cuando termine, te llamaré. Okay, so we need subjuntivo because it's referring to the future. Hope this is helpful and that you have learned how to use subjuntivo. Comment below with examples or if you have any doubts. And remember that I have amazing resources for you to keep studying Spanish, okay? I have a 7-day verb tense challenge for both indicativo and subjuntivo. I will have them linked below. And I have a Christmas freebie, okay? A Christmas worksheet free for you to learn Spanish vocabulary for Christmas, real Spanish phrases for Christmas, okay? So everything will be linked below. See you in my next one. Bye.